So I've marked it to there. And for these positions, these are what's getting cut out. So I just mark that. I've got to cut these parts out, right? That part, I haven't gone too light, but I can see it's probably light in the recording, and that's going to get cut out, right? I've used a marking gauge for that. I've got the center, and the reason why I've done it, I'm going to show you on here. So for these parts, I need to cut them out half of the amount, but I need to know where the line is. So what I do is I use my marking gauge, and I'll do it on this part because this would be waste. So I get about average where the center would be, and I do it on both sides. So you can see I'll put a little prick in there, and that's not center. So then I measure it up and get it as close as I can to being in the center. And then I'll try it again. That side, and that side's a little bit off. So I'm just going to just shift it like a smidgen. And this is being extremely accurate. Okay. So there's the center. All right. Now I mark it on these. Right on the edge of that line. So there is a nice cut line that I can work to. Okay, I'll do this one. That one. That one. It's really professional looking. The sharper the lines are to work with when you set it out, the straighter it'll be. Now I'm going to do the rest of that, and I'll do it around there, and then I'll be ready to start cutting and chiseling. Done. So we've finished marking it. I've got the two clamps. I've left this piece to the end, and I'll cut that off after so I can hold it on the sawhorse. I've actually completed a few cuts so I could chisel it out easier. I don't have a vise, so I could hold it and I could cut vertically, so I'm cutting it out that way. I'll cut another one in the middle so I could chisel that out easier. For this one, I'm going to finish this cut, but I'm only going to go halfway as where it shows to mark, and then I chisel the rest out. So come around, and I'll finish this off. So nice and close on the line. I just keep watching the line. That's as far as I can go now. I can do another one in the middle to make it chisel out easier. Just move my hand out of the way so it doesn't jump and cut me. I'm just going to follow the line from the marking gauge mark. Just so I've got a mark. Generally it just breaks itself off. Just like when you do it with a saw. Now, watch your hands, you can chisel the rest of it. Nice sharp chisel. Okay, you can stop that now, bud. So I've cut that part out. I probably could do with a little bit more cleaning. I've chiseled all the way down to keep it nice and square. This one, when I cut it, and I'll show this one in a moment, I would chisel to there and cut to as far as that line is. And then I just work my way down, alrighty? This one, I'm going to chisel this side and this side till I get it square, similar to that. So, I just slowly work my way both sides. Make sure I've got a 38mm chisel and this one's an 18. So I'll just keep going both sides until I get right to the bottom. So I'll keep going both sides until I get to the bottom. Yeah, I'm just going to do the cut so you understand how far, and then we'll do one last video. So this one here, I've gone to there and I've just stopped on both points. I'm going to do another one here. Just get your start going right on that line. Just keep following it. As best you can. Really hard with a panel saw. It's good practice. On there. Then I can start chiseling both sides. So I'll just chisel a little bit out on this one. Chisel out that side, and then you just slowly chip away at it right from the top. Always take that away so it's nice and clean and doesn't break away. And then from there, I keep chiseling. I'm going to keep chiseling. Get that one nice and square. So on that side. On the outside. So I just keep working my way down. All the way, and final touch up. Just clean up inside some of those edges in there. Tidy up on the edges in there. Happy days.